Now, I have here, now here is something that you can do as a little extra science project, and it is to make your own tornado. I'm going to put it here, and this would be a good project for you to do, so you could see what happens and how a tornado is made. We're going to show it here, up to. And here is how to make it with two plastic soda bottles. Did you get the whole thing? Okay, you might want to try that experiment. Watch the video first so that you can see exactly how terrifying a tornado is. Okay, we're going to be reviewing the sound of ooh. Remember, O can be an ooh sound. When I say a word that has the ooh sound in it, I want you to say toot, toot. Listen carefully. Brush. Character. Broom. Toot, toot. Classroom. Toot, toot. Foolproof. Toot, toot. Fossil. Pool. Toot, toot. Puncture. Spook. Toot, toot. Stoop. Toot, toot. Swamp. Swoon. Toot, toot. All right, now see if you can figure out the ooh word for this little puzzle. Something that you use in the morning and at night, and we had a little story about going to a certain office where you were told how to do it correctly. What do you use every morning and every night? You got it? Toothbrush. When something is not tight, what is the opposite of tight? Loose. You hear the ooh in loose? Something you eat with. You can stir your milk with it, or sometimes you might use it when you eat cereal. Spoon. Ooh, spoon. All right? What gives us light at night? Not the stars, which it does, but it's not an ooh word. The moon. What is the opposite of something that is not hot? Cool. Something that you work with, like a hammer or a screwdriver, is called a tool. When something is not wrinkled and you've ironed it, it is now smooth. What you do with a gun? You shoot. A place where you sleep. Bedroom. Oh, by the way, I have received only 2 maps of your children's bedrooms. Remember, that was one of your little projects that you had to do for social studies. So remember to do all these little projects that have been given to you, even in your workbook pages. Just another little reminder. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to look at another O sound, which you have had. You've already had the ooh, like the wind goes ooh, ooh. Now you're going to have the sound. It's kind of a short double O sound. Let's get this up here. All right, it's short. Okay, and we have 2 word families that I would like you to look at. Okay, 1 word family is the ook. Ook. Not the ook, the ook. Okay, now let's start from the beginning of the alphabet. There is book, A, B, C, D, C, cook. Oh, you know what? We also have brook. What about hook? Look. I get too far down, I get a little sloppy. Okay. Anything else?
Nook.
Honey?
How do you spell nook?
Nook. A nook is a little corner. I would put down rook, but I'm not sure it's spelled R-O-O-K. When you play chess, maybe somebody could look it up.
Or took? Took. I took.
Took. Anything else, Miss Pam? All right, now let's try this is the ook. Now let's try the ud family. Let's see if this will work. Ud. Okay, hood. Let's try some of these. Well, we can't say could because could is C-O-U-L-D. Let's see. What about good? What about would? Now, would could be also spelled this way. That's a word. I would like you to go. This is wood. We get wood from trees. Stood. Anything else? Think of anything else, Miss Pam? Okay, well, this gives you an idea. Okay, so we have the ook and the ud family. All right, now I'm going to give you some descriptions, and I want you to see if you could give me a word that has the sound in it, either the ook or the would, just like I did with the oo. Ooh. All right, now this is the short ook. All right, if you have books standing up, what keeps those books from falling down? They're on either side. What do we call them? We call them book ends. When we have a book where we put our photographs or things that we want to remember, birthday cards, we call it what? A scrapbook. What is the opposite of bad? Good. What part of your body is attached to your ankle? Your foot. When you view something, you what? You what it. You look at it. Look. What do you start a fire with? Wood. What is part of an animal's foot? A horse or a cow? A hoof. All right, when your foot picks up from the mud or sand, you leave a what? You leave a footprint. A little stool that you can stand on or sit on or put your feet on is called a stool, a footstool. Okay? All right, now let's turn to what you're going to do in the phonics. All right, in the phonics, you have word tornadoes on the stop, and you have the 2 word families, and in each section you have the different words you're supposed to use to make sense of the sentence. The family and the Well, actually, it is all the It's all the Then on page, that's 205, and then on page 206, you are to look at the words that they have on the beginning of each of the sentences and use them correctly. You have the and the sound. Okay, that is your phonics. Pages 205 and 206.